So let's say you're doing a lot of driving in Sweden. I live in southern Sweden. I drive along small twisty roads in the forest and along fields and so on. We have a lot of animals around, so it's really important to have good light when you do nighttime driving. It gives you comfort and you feel a little bit more relaxed and secure if you have this really good light on your car. So on this test rig I have, it's a Land Rover Discovery 3. We use as a test rig. I can switch on every lamp, every auxiliary headlamp singular, so I can switch on every lamp for themselves, so you can see the difference between the lights. So this is a dipped beam with xenon dip beam on the Land Rover original, as it's supposed to be. And here we have main beam, and this main beam is changed for LED main beam, so it's a little bit more cold, a little bit more light than the traditional halogen main beam. So if I add a light bar, a small compact nice light bar, Nikon, you get this light, you get a little bit more light along the sides of the road, and this is really important when it comes to animals along the road. So I would say this light bar is really useful. It's easy to put on your car because it's small, and it gives you a lot of nice light. If you want to have more long distance light, I have a technical advanced seeker. This is called Quantum Ledzer. So you can see it's very strong in the middle. It's a spot that's really strong. The spot is laser light. So this is the most technical advanced light you can get today. And if you go for a little bit smaller, a little more economical, but still good long distance light, this is the Abkati Ultra 220mm 135 watts. So it's a nice light, easy to put on your car since it's only 220mm in diameter. Powerful since it's got this 135 watts. So if I change for the Nikon LED bar, that's 106 watts, you get this light instead. So you get a little bit more wide light with the light bar, but you get a little bit more long distance light, a little bit colder in the temperature. I mean, it's a little bit more blue light. Some people like it because it's a little bit more detailed. You feel the details a little bit better, see the details a little bit better when it's, in my point of view. On the other hand, this is a little bit more relaxing, and it's a little bit better if you go in a lot of hard rain and snow and so on. And here is this is the Quantum Ledzer with a spotlight in the middle. Finally, we've got a 9-inch light called Strannds Siberia. This is the Strannds Siberia. It gives you a wide and really nice light when it comes to closer to the car. You get the wide light close to the car, and it's also a little bit warmer, not so blue as the Ledzer light was. So it's all up to you what you want. I would say this is really a good choice. It's supposed to be the best choice in the comparison we've done the last week. So yes, for me it's a really good light, and I can add the Ledzer. I get a long distance light, and I can also add the Abkati Ultra like that, and get really good light if there occasionally shows up a moose or a deer or something like that along the road. So this is in fact also legal in Sweden. It's legal to have this amount of auxiliary headlights in Sweden. It's not all over the world. Thank you.